Welcome to Study Room. Make sure to subscribe and like for more educational content. In this video, we'll provide a brief but detailed overview of the digital SAT with a focus on the math section. The digital SAT is a standardized test widely used for U.S. college admissions. It covers three main areas: evidence-based reading and writing in math. Today, we'll dive into how the math section has evolved with the digital format, offering new tools and a modern approach to testing your skills. The digital SAT math section maintains the core areas of focus: heart of algebra, problem solving, and data analysis, passport to advanced math, and additional topics, but introduces a more adaptive format where question difficulty adjusts based on previous responses. The total time remains 70 minutes with 40 for questions, divided into two stages, both allowing calculator use. A significant update is the integration of the Desmos graphing calculator. The Desmos graphing calculator is integrated directly into the test platform, making it invaluable for rapidly solving complex equations, graphing functions, and visualizing data without the need for manual plotting. This feature not only saves time, but also minimizes calculation errors, making it essential for efficiently tackling questions. The digital SAT math section increasingly focuses on real-world applications, data interpretation, and multi-step problems. In conclusion, the digital SAT is a key step toward college admissions, testing your skills in reading, writing in language, and math. The highest possible score is 1600, with each section contributing up to 800 points. Scores are typically available about 2 weeks after the test date. Preparing effectively can boost your confidence and help you reach your target score. Remember to practice a lot of questions on the Blue Book test before the actual test. Good luck. Subscribe, like, and comment.